opportunities and preparing ourselves to become responsible leaders of tomorrow. As students, we sometimes focus only on results and forget the process. Success does not come from intelligence alone. It comes from discipline, consistency, respect, and hard working. Every day we enter the school, we are given another opportunity to improve ourselves and move closer to our dream. To my fellow students, let us not underestimate the value of time. The book we read today, the assignment we complete, and the effort we put in our studies will determine the future we will live tomorrow. Small daily improvement become great achievement. To our respected school directors, teachers, and we sincerely appreciate your sacrifice, guidance, correction, and commitment to shaping our lives. Effort may not always be visible immediately, but they are producing future doctors, engineers, leaders, and responsible citizens. I also want to encourage students here. Never believe that your background determines your future. Your determination, attitude, and willingness to learn can take you every beyond limitation. Let us make a promise today to respect your school, to take your studies seriously, to support one another, to become your parents and teachers will be proud of. Together we can build a school not only for academic excellence but also for discipline, integrity and success. Thank you all for listening. God bless your school and
Good day, our dedicated teachers and my fellow students. My name is Amatullah Abubakar from SS2, and today I want to share a simple but powerful message titled Success Begins Before Opportunities Arrive. Success do not begin when opportunity comes, it begins long before opportunities arrive. Many people believe that successful students are simply lucky, but in reality, success is built quietly through preparation, discipline, and consistency. Every day we wake up, attend class, complete assignment, and study for examination. We are either preparing for future opportunities or preparing excuse for why we miss them. As student, you often say, I will become serious next time. I will start reading when exams are close. I will improve later. But excellence do not wait for later. I will start reading when exam I will the student who read today become confident tomorrow. The student who manage time today become successful tomorrow. The student who keep trying despite mistakes become exceptional tomorrow. To my fellow students, never allow fear to reduce your potential. Speak with confidence, learn with determination, and carry yourself with excellence. Your voice matter, your dream matter, and your education matter. To our respected director and teachers, thank you for creating an environment where students are challenged to grow and discover their ability. Today, let me us make one decision, not wait for opportunities, but to prepare until opportunities find us ready. Because the future belongs not to those who wish, but to prepare, but to those who prepare. Thank you all. May our effort become our success tomorrow. Thank you for listening.
Very much, Ama. Thank you very much. Very nice presentation made by Ama. Thank you very much. Clap for Ama. Ama is gone. Thank you very much. I'm highly impressed. The next
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good day, our respected teacher, principal, and my fellow students. Today I stand before you with a heart full of hope and reflection. Life is like a journey, and education is the lamp that guides us through darkness. Without education, a person may walk in confusion, but with it, he walks with direction and dignity. Presentation. Education is not only about reading books, it is about building character and people. Allah say in meaning. Those who know are not equal to those who do not know. This is how that knowledge raises a person higher than ignorance. My fellow students, if we want to success in life, we must take in our studies seriously. No dream can understand without education. Let us value learning, respect our teacher, and stay focused. Conclusion: education is the key to success. Whoever hold his peace. Thank you. I'm Maria Awal Salu.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alamin Isa. Today I'm going to talk about a good teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches students and helps them against skill good and good character. Teachers are very students because they prepare us for the future and help us become responsible citizens. A good teacher is keen, patient, honest, hardworking, and respectful. A good teacher explains lessons clearly, encourages students to ask questions, and treat everyone equally. A good teacher also motivates students to ask questions hard and never give up on them. Teachers do more than teach subjects, they guide us, advise us, and help us making good decisions. They encourage us to be disciplined, confident, and successful in life. Without teacher, it will be difficult for students to achieve their goal and dream. As students, we should be expecting our teacher or be school complain about our assignment and appreciate the effort. We should always listen careful in class and always try our best. In conclusion, a good teacher is one of the greatest gifts in life. Teachers are make a positive difference in society by educating and inspiring young people. We should be allowed value and respect our teacher for hard working and education. Thank you for listening.
Assalamu alaikum ya ummati. In the name of Allah, the beneficial is the merciful. Ismi Nura Ibrahim, SSO Nabi. Inna aluzum an yaziddu. Inna Masihan. Suratul Alam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min 'alaq. Iqra wa rabbukal akram. Allazi 'allama bil qalam. Allazi Abdana Izal. Alaidan kana nudin. Nasfan bin nasya. Nasya kaziba din nadiya. Walaida kunadiya. Walaida uzabaya. Kallala tadidi wasjidu wa qatta. Sadaqallahu lazim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning, respected teachers and my fellow students. My name is Aisha Said from JSS3. Today, I would like to speak briefly about reading for truth. Reading is more than saying words aloud. It is a way of gaining knowledge, understanding ideas, and develop our mind. When we read truthfully, we ask questions, think deeply about what we have already read, and connect a new information to what of all reading now. Reading regularly improve our vocabulary, communication skills, creativity, and academic performance. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much, Aisha Said from JSS3.
My name is Ahmad Abdurrahman from JSS2. I want to present my paper about transportation. Transportation is the movement of people from one place to another. Types of transportation. Number 1, land transportation. Number 2, air transportation. Number 3, water transportation. Importance of transportation. Number 1, transportation helps to moving from one place to another. Number 2, it helps in carrying goods and service. Number 3, transportation, sounding and energy. Number 4, it helps communication and social interaction. Number 5, it supports economic development. Thank you for.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Kuma ku a kashe take.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Good morning to you all. My name is Fatima Al-Qasim from JSS2. I want to present my paper about vocabulary. Meaning of vocabulary. Vocabulary means a collection of words.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning, everyone. My name is Amatullah Safwan from the SS1. Today I want to present my paper about Unity School. Meaning of Unity School. Unity School, officially known as Federal Unity College, a network has allied public secondary school in Nigeria. How many Unity Schools are there in Nigeria? There are currently 104, such as Federal Government College, Federal Government Girls College, Federal Science and Technical College. Thank you for listening. I am Amatul Nasir. Cikin girmamawa malamai na ga masu biyayya da masu sauraro na. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Sunana Ahmad Amin daga wannan makaranta Advance Model Academy. Daga aji ɗaya na wannan babban makaranta. Ina magana akan gaskiya. Gaskiya ita ce, gaskiya abu ɗaya ce, daga ita ba wata.
Dafa masa da Allah.
Menene gaskiya? Gaskiya wata abu ce da ake faɗarta a kan lokaci. Lokacin da aka yi karyata wani, yi kuma mutane su baya bakin gaskiya. Thank you for
Thank you very much.
Presenter. Okay, so it has come to the end of the paper presentation. English Club and Press Club. So,
Principal, uncle, it's okay.